I'm going to walk you through the task here for 5.8. It involves using systems of equations and elimination, and I figured I'd go through a few of these because a couple of these can be tricky. So we're going to take a look at number 2 here. Let's see. So, 1 week Carlos bought 2 bags of Brutus Bites and 3 bags of Lucky Licks for $42.50. So I'm just going to set it up here as 2. I'm going to use B for Brutus Bites, plus 3L equals $42.50. I'm going to put here BL to represent my variables. And then next week he bought 5 bags of Brutus Bites and 6 bags of Lucky Licks for $94.25. All right, we have to figure out how much each of these costs. We have a couple of ways that we can get here. Here's what I'm thinking. Now, we want to use elimination here, but unfortunately, we don't have any coefficients that can cancel each other out. So looking at the B's here right now, we got 2 and 5. So if I try to add or subtract vertically, it's not going to cancel out. If I get over here too for my L's, still not going to cancel out. However, what I can do is if I multiply this top equation here by 2, now notice I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Watch what happens. I get 4B, I get 6L, which I really like, and then 42.50 times 2 gives me 85. Here's why I like it. I can take this equation here, the second one, bring it on over, and you'll notice something really good. We like this. Whoops. Writing's not perfect, but that's okay. Excuse me. I can now cancel out my L's because they have the same coefficient. So what I'm going to do here is, this is where a lot of mistakes come in. People make the mistake of, they figure, I'm just going to add these. If you add going straight down, it's going to give you 12L. That doesn't get rid of your coefficients. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract. If I do that here, I get negative 1B. My L's are now going to cancel out because 6 minus 6 gives me 0. And 94.25 minus 85, let's see. Rather, 85 minus 94.25. I'm going to get a negative answer here, but excuse me, I get negative 925. Now, how can you have negative money here? Well, the thing is, I'm going to divide each side by a negative. Boom. Get positive 925 here for my Brutus Bites. Which is great now, because now I just have to plug in this value into one of my equations here, and that'll allow me to solve for the other variable. I don't let you guys get there, but what I'll do is I'll at least set it up. Excuse me. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to substitute for B here, and that allows me to solve for L. I think you guys can get here at this point. It's just all, basic two-step equation at this point. So that's how you can get there with number 2. Hopefully that helps you at least get started.